Me, waiting very patiently for my farm fresh eggs. While I wait up to 30 days more for my lovely ladies to start paying their dues, let's take a peek at my fabulous flock. While I started off with 6, sometimes you lose 1 or 2 along the way. A playful pup took out 1, but 5 made it to their healthy, happy habitat. While they were developing their real true feathers, I was outside with the help of my neighbor, building the ultimate chicken castle for my queens. In a later video, I'll walk you through just how to build your queen's coop, but right now, we're just getting to know the ladies. There's my little Americanas, Miss Leo and Miss Cleo, my lovely Lavender, and the twins, who can get a little aggressive.